So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to pin messages on Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Messenger. Now you should have to tap on message like this until you will see the option of pin, archive, unmute and many more. So you should have to tap on pin. Now on the right side of the screen you can see the pin icon as well. So your message has been successfully pinned on Messenger. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.